Let's open 3 mystery bags today. Bag number 1. These dainty heart drop earrings. They are so sweet and playful. Next up, we have a clear bead, so a bonus bag is coming. But first, look at these essential gray studs. They're the perfect base for any ear stack. Bag number 3. A stylish Y-shaped tie necklace. I love how sleek and modern this looks. And now, our final bonus bag. We found a red bead and this ring. What's amazing is how well this ring matches the earrings and the necklace we just opened. It's a complete look. Plus our gift for the red bead, a cute hair claw to tie it all together. What do you think of this coordinated haul? Everything matches so perfectly.